sir. Good evening. How are you?
Ma'am, I am fine. And ma'am, how about you?
I am also doing great, sir, and I am so happy to have you here.
Thank you, ma'am. Also, I am waiting for this session for a long time, especially the English Yari and
Oh.
Clapingo. So, from that time, ma'am, I commitment with myself. One day, I will connect it with you because, ma'am, your pronunciation and the sound quality, your vocal quality is.
Thank you so much for your wonderful comments, sir. I really feel happy and blessed to have these words from you. Yes. So I would like to know something about you and super. So are you in West Bengal now? Right
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
sir?
I am from.
West Bengal. Fine. Okay. I am Mahalakshmi. I am from Tamil Nadu.
Yes, ma'am.
Coimbatore, I stay in Coimbatore, sir, and I am mom to two kids. And I was working as a lecturer, and afterwards,
Upload a conversation video on YouTube. Ma'am, why you quit the job? Especially any reason behind?
is here no one is there, sir. My daughters need my presence. They need me. They told me that you should be at home, so your presence is significant at home. When they come home, they need me. They need. I want to be here. Yes, in order to do that and in order to take care of my kids and my family, I did that, sir. No any reason. No the reason.
So, ma'am, and I watched your one video and said that you, at that time, earlier time, you are watch reels video and waste your time. And when you percepted it, then you fully quit it. But, ma'am, it is the another problem happen with me. So, ma'am, when I try to practice speaking English, sometimes I incorporate myself with unimaginable thought, which is not possible in the reality. But, ma'am, how can I overcome those thoughts? Can you suggest me?
Yes, of course, sir. Even now, sometimes when my mobile is in front of me, without doing any other work, my mind actually it is pushing me to see some reels on YouTube. But we have to control it, sir. So we should not keep our mobile like this. We have to place it somewhere else without seeing it. Then we can keep all our books, sir. Some books or some notes in front of us, so that it will actually motivate us to read or concentrate something. To your friends or peers, we can start speaking in English. Now I have decided to speak in English with my daughters. So when I need to speak something or when I need to use something, I have to use some words. For that I have to read something, study something.
Ma'am, and another question is, ma'am, I memorize advanced word. Sometimes you use advanced word and I correct those words from your video and I try to use, but
Okay.
when the time is the speaking, I can't use those words. Even, ma'am, if I read some new words today and tomorrow I will forget. It is happening
Yes.
with me.
Yes.
In the, but I can't engross myself to learn those words. In the time of speaking, I can't use. Even, and I can't concentrate my mind regarding learning English.
Okay. Sir, first you take one word, sir. For example, significant. I used that word now before saying about me, right? Significant means important.
Yes.
So whenever you want to use important, replace that word with significant. But it will not come to you. You have to make some sentences on your own. Or you can even use AI and you can get some words, but that should be related to your daily routine, daily life activities.
Ma'am, it is right important, but in my when I talk about my daily lifestyle, but I always use those simple words. I already eat
Yes,
in my
you have to,
academic
yes.
session, but at this moment when I try to move forward for the advanced word, it is very difficult task for me, and I cannot
Yes.
move forward for English advanced word.
Yes, sir. Appreciate yourself, sir. You consider you take only one word. For example, significant. You replace that word with important. Whenever you come across, when you need to say important, you replace that word with significant. I am going to use significant for. So you keep on saying that word whenever you find some time. See, now drinking water is significant for me. Drinking enough water is significant for my health. So you make simple sentence but use that word in your sentences and talk to others also with that word. Don't think that what they will think if I use this word when I speak. Remove all that hesitation from your mind. You use
even ma'am learn some word from your video, incorporated, engross, stumble, perception. But ma'am, I can't use those words while I am speaking. But I
Yes,
need
it
lot
will
of
take
words
time.
from your video.
Yes. Thank you so much. But it will take time, sir. Now you have understood the meaning of those words. So after listening to the video, you know the meaning of that word. So you should appreciate yourself for that.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
If you appreciate yourself, then it will give some energy to learn that word. Listen to videos, sir, and whenever you come across that particular word, pause there. How they are incorporating that word in their sentences.
Ma'am, another thing is, ma'am, while I am speaking, so ma'am, I cannot arrange the proper question. It is very difficult task for me for make a proper sentence. But ma'am, I cannot make the proper sentence. And even ma'am, you are say that if you want to enhance your pronunciation, you should shadowing practice is very important. In one
Yes,
video, you
yes.
suggested, but ma'am,
Yes.
I feel disappointed of shadowing practice. It is not happening with me.
Okay.
Sometimes the mother tongue
Yes.
influence came in from my mouth.
Yes.
It is difficult. So, ma'am, how can I
Yes.
come across those things?
Yes. Who is your favorite person? Who is your favorite celebrity, sir?
Sir, ma'am, recently I watched some like Priyanka Chopra, Samantha. Their speaking quality
okay.
is very good. Sometimes I
Yes.
listen, but
Yes.
they use advanced word. That's why I
Yes.
stop it.
You can go for some normal videos, sir. Don't go for advanced words. Go for normal video and you can reduce the speed. In video sitting, we can reduce the pace. You reduce the speed pace. Then you can get the actual word. For 1 month, for 1 week, it would be tedious. It would be hard for you to follow them. But sir, after 1 week, you will see some drastic change, some improvement within you. But for first 1 week, it is really a tough process to do that. You make that one promise, one vow, that I have got some half an hour. Okay, you have got some half an hour value, amount, hour, okay? You have planned to or watch something on your TV or you, but before doing that, you make sure to do shadowing for 10 minutes.
10.
Or else before having a breakfast, you decide that before having my breakfast, I have to do shadowing for 10 minutes. So after doing the shadowing, go and have your food. Then it will be a routine for you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I got it, ma'am.
Do this as your first task, then do rest of your task.
When I speak, so we need take a time. At first we think, then we can express our thoughts.
Yes.
But
Yes.
I want to speak fluently, but I mixed up everything, which is not as a usual. And sometimes my question is unusual, and I cannot make the proper sentence the proper way even. And sometimes after WH word, we need a auxiliary verb or modal verb, but I can't use any auxiliary verb or modal verb. Like how do I practice alone? So we need a auxiliary verb after WH word, but sometimes I don't use any auxiliary verb for the proper question, but I can't use when I try to make a question for me.
You know all the tenses.
Little bit have
You know
idea
all the
about-
tenses, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. We have some verbs for all the tenses.
Yes, ma'am.
Is, are, were, has, will be.
Yes, ma'am.
You use that word and frame one question. Put what, WH before that. What do you like to eat?
Yes, ma'am. What do you like to eat? At
Like to eat, yes. When you ask, do you like to eat or not, it is yes or no question. I have to say, if you ask me, you please ask me that question.
So, ma'am, if I asked, and what do you like eat at the lunch time
Yes, what do you like to eat?
for your lunch?
Yes. So what you are asking me, what do you want to eat? So I have to give you answer. I like to eat some rice.
When our question is not good, but we can understand the opinion, what you want to say.
Yes.
So, ma'am, in this way, I just try to practice. At first, we need fluency. Our mouth is not trained to speak in English. Because
Yes,
sometimes
yes.
the mother tongue
Yes.
influence came from our mouth.
Yes.
That's why our
Yes.
vocal quality is not good.
Yes.
And ma'am, why
Yes.
I introspect myself, so I feel comfortable. Yeah, I can speak English and I can manifest my thought. But in the time of speaking over the video call, my vocal quality is not good. Even my sound is not clear. Sometimes the mother tongue influence come, and even I can't arrange the sentence properly, and I mix up everything in my mind. So after that, when I watch my video, and I think that I make lot of mistake, but then I disappointed, fully stop it, and that's why I am not consistency. After 15 days, motivated myself, and I resume start my work regarding learning English, but which is not effective for me, and I feel that I have no capability. I can't improve my communication skill.
Sir, actually, shall I say you one thing? You are very good in English. You are really fluent in English. See, we are from different state. We are connecting each other just by using this English language. We have done 24 minutes our speech with this English. You have very good communication skills. Please don't say that you are not fluent in English. You are very good in English. You have used so many words to express your views.
I recently watched your video. You connected with one ma'am. She is from Maldives at the teacher, but basically
Yes.
she from Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
But
Yes.
I watched those video minimum 3 or 4 times, because ma'am, during the conversation you are always with suitable word. Even the conversation is very easy
Oh.
for the every beginner. So when I watch those type of videos, I regret myself. So I can't speak like that. Even I disappointed. So I feel that I can't do this, and I cannot make the proper sentence. And in that conversation, you are use lot of advanced word, but I memorize. At this time, I forget.
It's okay, sir. Actually, you are very good. Please don't disappoint yourself. You are very good in English. You speak very well, and you used so many words like manifest and all. See, in order to get proper pronunciation, I have a trick. Take one pen or pencil like this. Take a book, read something, or speak something in English.
Reading and speaking something, ma'am. Pronunciation correction is a very tough work for me, ma'am. Yes,
This was suggested by one of the trainers.
yes, ma'am. Yes, I will try it.
Well, it's easy. See, while reading a book or while speaking, you try to.
I am not comfortable at reading because, ma'am, I am working in police. You know that
Yes.
our time schedule is very hectic. So when I get free time, I tired and I think that I need some rest for rejuvenate
Yes.
myself and revive my mind. So that's why I
Yes.
never practice reading practice. So I always
Okay.
watching English related video, especially conversation video, and sometimes I speaking with the
Okay.
YouTuber.
You take a small paragraph and read it from your mobile. Take a small paragraph by keeping this pencil like this and read.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I will try it next time.
Okay. But you are very confident, you are very energetic, and after talking to you, actually, I forget all my worries. I was really feeling tired and I was sullen since morning. But see, after talking to you, I feel very fresh.
Yes,
You are
thank you.
that much. Yes, you are so energetic. You please don't understand. You are very fluent and you know to use all the words. You are using the appropriate words.
So, ma'am, one thing can you suggest me in the public place speaking? So a lot of action came from at the same time. So I can't capture those words at the same time. It's very difficult when the 5 or 4 members is speaking at the same time, but I can't reply those people at the same time.
Okay. Okay.
So, ma'am, how can I improve my public speaking?
Everyone says this. Do mirror talking. Do mirror talk. Go and stand in front of the mirror and read something, or just do gesture, hand gesture, and say something. You don't think that you don't know anything. They will say something. No, you are very good in English.
Ma'am.
But develop that confidence.
Ma'am, I have a confidence, but sometimes I
Yes.
lost my confidence because, ma'am, when I
No. Yes.
sometimes I watch so many YouTubers, they are improve their speaking English in a 4 month 3 months, 6 months. But ma'am, I have been practicing for 1 year and still I am stucking and fumbling. My mind goes blank in those things and disappointed me and I regret myself.
It will take 4 to 5 years to learn a language. According to me, it's not easy to learn English. We can say that I learned English within a month or 3 months, 6 months. It's not going to happen. It would take nearly 4 to 5 years. See, but you have improved a lot after doing certain exercises and certain thing. You are in this level. And how you would be after 6 or 1 year?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Yes, thank
Ma'am,
you.